Hello and welcome. You're watching Times Now and I'm Shubhangi Mishra. Starting our edition straightway with the great news for Indian fans just coming in. India has won the T20 World Cup semi-final against England by 7 runs. India is just now one step away from cricketing glory viewers. The men in blue have stormed into the finals of the ICC Men's T20 World Cup after a commanding performance. A performance that showcased skill, composure and champion spirit. Now, from explosive batting to disciplined bowling, we saw it all. India delivered when it mattered the most, sending millions of fans into celebrations across the country. And India delivered a statement performance on the biggest stage, storming into the final of the ICC Men's T20 World Cup with a dominant display against England. And this all played at the iconic Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. In fact, I'm being joined by my colleagues from across India, from Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, and in the heart of this stadium from Wankhede Stadium. Straightway coming to you, Karishma, live from the Wankhede Stadium where the action is all there. What's the mood on ground?
With this win of the Indian team, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज जो इंडियन टीम के लिए?
इंडिया भाई जीत गई है और क्या बहुत बड़ी बात है। फाइनल अपना ही है भाई, फाइनल अपना ही है। पांडे जैसे प्लेयर अपनी इंडियन टीम में आ गए हो, बहुत बड़ी बात है।
The Indian team played really well, and we hope the World Cup is ours.
And a message for Sanju Samson.
Yeah, he played very well, and we are
very well. And we have one dialogue for India, Team India.
India some more run,
Maharaj Chennai.
The people here are with this victory. I will just show you how many people are standing here. There are kids here as well who are very, very happy with this win. We will speak to them as well. Who has made you this happy? Which player?
Inspiration of Virat Kohli. I hope he plays again. Jasprit Bumrah.
Jasprit Bumrah. Jasprit Bumrah, Virat Kohli fans of course everywhere, but this is what Marine Drive is looking at this moment. The excitement, the happiness that is there on the people's faces is all courtesy the Indian cricket team, and you have to talk about the way Jasprit Bumrah bowled today because that was very, very important. I will try and get you more fans as well after my camera person.
The situation there in Mumbai is absolutely thrilling. There on a screen, viewers, you can see crowd of people, sea of people. In fact, they're being very happy and celebrating this momentous occasion. I'll come back to you, Karishma, but quickly going to my colleague Arunil is joining us live from Mumbai. Arunil, there's so much to talk about from this match, but the star of the match, Sanju Samson, who has trashed England by scoring 89 runs of 72 balls, of course, attaining his highest score in the World Cup. What's the mood on the ground there and what are people saying about the players?
Well, again, Wankhede Stadium proved to be lucky for Team India. Again, a historic victory over here. At present, I'm reporting from the Khar Gymkhana. I can see the celebrations over here. There are goals. People are elated with the victory as well. That catch from Akshar Patel, where he willed that, was dismissed at that crucial time. Now, India in the final. How confident you are?
Very confident. जीतेगा भाई, जीतेगा. India जीतेगा.
What do you have to say? Today's very crucial again, 89 from Sanju Samson. India surpassing 250.
भाई हम सिर्फ भागते हैं, नीलकंठ क्या भागते हैं, bleed blue always.
What is your expectation from Ahmedabad now, Narendra Modi Stadium? Again, a crucial final, this time against New Zealand. It's our win! It's our win! So this is basically Akhar Gymkhana, you can see how people are celebrating over here. What do you want to say? How crucial this victory is for us? Again, a historic victory in Mumbai at the Wankhede Stadium.
I think it's about the toss in the next match. Whoever wins the toss in the next match at Ahmedabad is going to get the it's going to get the victory.
Fans from different age groups who are celebrating over here. What do you want to say? How special this victory is for Team India?
This is so cool. India Cup हमारा है.
India Cup हमारा. This is what the fans are also saying over here. But that catch from Akshar Patel, that was again a very pivotal moment. It is the same catch which Surya Kumar also had taken in the last World Cup. You can see how fans are celebrating over here. And it is the same mood we'll be expecting when India will be playing that crucial final match at the iconic Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad, and again will be looking to lift their third T20 World Cup title in Ahmedabad.
Aruni, do stay on with us. Of course, viewers, the spirit there across India is running high. People are celebrating, dancing. There's dhol, there's dance, there are lights, there's glory, everything. And one demand and one spirit which is going high, that we will bring the World Cup home. I'll quickly go to my colleague Ridhita, who's joining us live from Kolkata. Ridhita, what's happening there? How are fans celebrating this moment? Is this celebratory win for India?
Well, absolutely. You can see that India is singing the same song all through the nation today. The spirit that has been instilled in Bombay. You can see that from Bombay to Calcutta to Karnataka and Assam, all over. We are singing the same spirit of success. Here in Calcutta, I will take you, and ये जो जीत है, ये आज पूरा देशवासी का जीत है. But सबसे अच्छा कौन लगा आज गेम में?
आज के तो संजू सैमसन ही आज खेला घुमा दिया आज, लेकिन जसप्रीत बुमराह का वो 17वां ओवर बहुत वाइटल था. आज जान हथेली पे आ गया था, ये मानना ही पड़ेगा. मैच हमेशा 60-40 चल रहा था, लेकिन आखिर में हम ब्रिटिश को धूल चटा दिया.
ये जो अच्छा मोमेंट है. अब फाइनल किसके हाथ में आने वाला है?
फाइनल तो हमारे हाथ में तो आ ही गया. इंडिया के हाथ में फाइनल आ गया. इस बार आएगा, इस बार सूर्या के हाथ में. सूर्या चलेगा.
क्या बोलोगे आप?
अक्षर पटेल, मैन ऑफ द मैच, मैन ऑफ द कैच, इंडिया का सबसे बढ़िया प्लेयर है अक्षर पटेल.
फाइनल में क्या लग रहा है, क्या होगा?
इंडिया 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 इंडिया, इससे मतलब कोई नहीं. इंडिया इज द बेस्ट, वर्ल्ड इज द बेस्ट, इंडिया इज द बेस्ट.
Absolutely. So you can see that from Bombay to Calcutta, it is the same spirit that people are celebrating in. They are cheering. You can see dhol, you can see abir and colors that are being played, and also pataka that are being played. क्या लग रहा है अभी फाइनल किसके हाथ में आने वाला है?
सूर्य कुमार पास आएगा. कप हम सूर्य कुमार इसके
क्या मैसेज रहेगा इंडिया के लिए, फाइनल्स के लिए?
फाइनल मैसेज इंडिया विन करेगा, यही मैसेज है हमको. अच्छा खेलेगा, इंडिया जीतेगा.
आज का गेम कैसे लगा?
अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Well, you can see like this is the beat that is in Kolkata. People are celebrating a lot.
हम जो यहाँ से बोल रहे हैं, या पास में ही सौरभ गांगुली हमारा दादा का घर है, उसका घर में ही आवाज चला गया क्या?
Well, absolutely, that is what you're saying, that it is the ground of Saurabh Ganguly. Just the way Dada had spiraled his t-shirt in the ground in London, in the same way now India is going to keep back their trophy after the final is now going to be played in Gujarat next. And with that,
Ridhita, do stay on with us. I'm being also joined by my colleague Neha from Bengaluru there. Neha, the screen is full of energy right now. People on ground are cheering and enjoying this moment. Of course, the last moment of the match was very tense. We were all biting our nails as to what the result will be. And at the end, it was India winning the semi-final and making its way to the World Cup final, T20 World Cup final, the day which we all were waiting for. What's the mood on ground? I can already see some firecrackers there in Mumbai in the frame of one of our reporters. But what's there? What are you seeing there in Bengaluru? What's the mood on ground?
Well, understandably, of course, across the country, the mood is ecstatic here, given that India has, managed to, of course, storm into the World Cup finals here. And what makes this so exciting, of course, is the fact that, even for that matter, till the last 10 balls, there was a lot of tension. Most of the people here as well biting their nails. Let's quickly take this across to a couple of fans joining us right now, sir. Heartiest congratulations to all of you here. How was the match?
It was a fantastic match, very thrilling and excellent match.
Okay. I want to ask you, at any point, especially the last 10 balls or so, there was still some uncertainty, do you feel?
Yeah, maybe when they were hitting all the sixes back to back and Varun Chakravarti's overs were going for a toss, I think we thought somewhere it was shaky, but then we took up very well.
Sir, if I can just ask all of you together, just once, cheer for Team India. We've managed to storm into the finals again. Let's go.
Team India! Let's bring the World Cup home! Let's bring the World Cup home!
Okay, all right. Now, who's going to be bringing the World Cup back home?
India!
Of course, India.
Okay, all right. Sir, if I can, of course, take in a quick word from you as well. We saw both of you sitting quite literally, clinching on to the edge of your table, even till the last ball. I have to ask you, how exciting a match was it?
The match was excited. I was that India will win the game.
Okay.
And India has won the game.
Okay, all right. Well, of course, we'll just get in a couple more voices here, sir. I have to ask you both, gentlemen, how was the match and who's going to be winning the final?
It was really a very exciting match. Up to the 10th over, I think we were a little comfortable. And then post 10th over, we were a little tensed. And once when Bethel's wicket fell, it was a real turning point, and we were cheering every ball that was bowled by any bowler.
Right. I have to ask you, sir, it was a team game. Akshar Patel, Sanju Samson, all of them quite literally have put in their best foot today to take India to the final.
Excellent. The bowlers did very well, and Sanju Samson played very well.
Okay.
And it was a very, very deserving and very tight match. And definitely we are going to win the finals also by at least 50 runs.
All right, thank you. Well, of course, the air is ecstatic across the country. India finally storming into the finals again, going up against a strong team, New Zealand, remember, of course. But we're all hopeful as the entire country today celebrates this entry into the final. We really have to wait and see what happens in Gujarat.
Neha, do stay on with us. I'll quickly go to my colleague Karishma, who's there at the Wankhede Stadium, where the energy is absolutely thrilling. The action was there. Karishma, specific question that India dominated New Zealand in the recently concluded T20 series before the World Cup. But India's always had a bad time facing New Zealand in T20 games specifically. What do you expect in the final?
Drive right now where you can see the flag, the India flag flying high, the Indian fans right here. You can see the excitement that is there amongst people here. They're still standing here at Marine Drive wanting to support the Indian fans, and we will of course speak to them. A bit of a police deployment here. They're asking fans to move from here now, but the fans have been here from the start of the match, and they will continue to be here till the local police is going to allow them to be here. But let's of course try and speak to them as well. What will you say? आज का जो मैच था, संजू सैमसन जिस हिसाब से खेले हैं,
आज संजू सैमसन ने तो एकदम बाप-तोड़ बैटिंग की है. सब के होश उड़ा दिए डायरेक्ट. आज एकदम मजाक नहीं. आज की मैच एकदम टफ थी, पर हम जीते. हमको उस बात की बहुत खुशी है.
एंड जसप्रीत बुमराह की अगर बात करें, जिस तरीके से उन्होंने बॉलिंग की है आज, बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो गई थी, क्योंकि आप अंत में सिर्फ 7 रन से जीते हो.
हाँ, वो बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग की उन्होंने, इसलिए
बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग थी जसप्रीत बुमराह की. अगेन आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू शो यू विजुअल्स फ्रॉम मरीन ड्राइव, एंड just how happy this city is at this moment. All India jerseys, a bit of a traffic jam now because of course people are leaving from the stadium as well, but people here also waiting to get a glimpse of the team bus leaving and going back to the hotel. More India jerseys here. Sir, if I can speak to you, what did you think about the match today? Lived up to the expectation?
Yeah, it was a
good game. A little tight at the end, but happy with the win.
So were you even worried for a moment that this might?
Yeah, for a moment, really. Yeah, I was really worried. Yeah.
But sir, now what do you think? Final is ours. Is the trophy staying home?
ट्रॉफी अब हमको ही मिलना है. मैं इंदौर से आया हूँ स्पेशली ये सेमीफाइनल मैच देखने. जगजीत सिंह चावला, बंटी चावला मेरा नाम है और मैं इसी सोच में आया था कि अब यहाँ से इसके बाद मैं अहमदाबाद जाऊंगा.
अब आप जा रहे हैं?
हाँ, जा रहे हैं और अब ये ट्रॉफी हमारी है.
Trophy.
Huh.
Yeah, see, that's what the fans feel, that there's no two questions about the fact that India is winning this World Cup, and not just winning it, but becoming the first country to win it twice in a row. We have won it before in 2007, then in 2024, but no country has won the T20 World Cup consecutively, and this is what the Indian team is aiming to do. In 2024, Rohit Sharma did it, and now the onus will be on the leader, Surya Kumar Yadav, to repeat what was done in 2024, and everyone will remember that iconic catch from Surya Kumar Yadav in 2024. And sir, आज अक्षर पटेल की जो कैच था,
बढ़िया एक नंबर का कैच था, उसने मैच टर्न कर दिया पूरा.
सर एक कैच नहीं, दो कैचेस
थे, लेकिन वो 100 मीटर राइट साइड और 100 मीटर लेफ्ट साइड कवर कर रहा था. ये कोई नहीं कर पा रहा था, ना उनके खिलाड़ी ना हमारे खिलाड़ी.
But sir, now what do you feel about the final? Do you think playing versus New Zealand will be a little
गणपति बप्पा पे, गणपति बप्पा मोरया. Final against New Zealand, somewhat easy than England.
Somewhat easy than England?
Yeah, somewhat easy than England.
Sir, did you see Finn Allen batting?
Yeah, that's it. Okay, we are not having any problem in batting.
Sir, any message for the Indian team?
Check the India.
This is what the Indian team fans are all about, positivity. Finn Allen yesterday scored 100 in just 33 balls, but the Indian cricket team fans saying, koi baat nahi, ho jayega, dekh lenge Finn Allen ko bhi. So this is what it means for them to step into the final and then now play for that trophy yet again and make sure that the trophy stays home, because, you know, the entire country is going to be praying for them. Again, just going to show you the visuals of Marine Drive, how people have been standing here to just celebrate this win. The Indian team putting a smile on their faces, and they will continue to have this smile, not stop smiling until they win the World Cup on the 8th of March when they take on New Zealand.
Right, Karishma, as you're mentioning, the smile on every Indian cricket fan is meant and it's full of hope, energy, zeal, enthusiasm. And they all have just one thing, that confirmation that India, this Indian cricket team will win and bring their World Cup home. I'm in fact being joined by my colleague Rohit from the newsroom. Rohit, you are seeing the energy on ground. It's completely thrilling to see. Now, from the first ball to the final roll, India has written another golden chapter against England. I'm very sure that a lot of people are congratulating Indian cricket team right now. Take us through all the congratulatory reaction which you're getting.
Right, absolutely. Like you said, the energy and the enthusiasm on the ground is ecstatic, and so is, in fact, the enthusiasm on social media as well. In fact, I have quite a few reactions coming in, both from politicians as well as former cricketers. Let's start with Home Minister Amit Shah, who says, India rose to the T20 World Cup final. Congratulations, Team India, on a resounding victory in the semi-finals. He also said the tenacity and hard work shown by our boys tonight were truly remarkable, wishing them all the very best for the final. Then you have the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. In fact, he has put out images of him actually watching the game. So he was at the Wankhede Stadium when the semi-final was going on. So, of course, a pretty nail-biting game to watch. The last few moments, of course, were quite tense. And Fadnavis actually had to watch that in person. Then you have Kiran Rijiju as well, who says cricket fever grips the nation once again. Congratulations to Team India for a brilliant semi-final victory over England at Wankhede, storming into the final of the T20 World Cup. The determination and spirit shown by our players make every Indian proud. All the very best for the final. You also have Union Minister Piyush Goyal, who also hails from Maharashtra, who says India have stormed into the finals of the T20 World Cup. Congratulations to our team for pulling off a brilliant win in the semi-finals against England at Wankhede. Here's wishing our boys all the best as they prepare to defend the championship title. Former cricketers also who have represented India in the past are now responding. This is in fact Shikhar Dhawan, who says, what a match and what a performance from the boys. Sanju Samson leading the way with the bat, Shivam Dube providing great support, and a disciplined bowling effort led by Jasprit Bumrah and with Hardik Pandya, which was crucial in the penultimate over, making a big difference. Special mention to Akshar Patel, for that marvelous effort in the field, grabbing 2 amazing catches, back-to-back T20 World Cup finals. 1 more to go. Then you also have Harbhajan Singh, who says death over bowling of Team India made the difference. Congratulations for the huge win. Again, Sanju Samson proved that he means serious cricket. Shivam Dube and Tilak Verma also being mentioned in Harbhajan Singh's post. So clearly, it was an all-round performance from Team India. Of course, there has been a lot of talk about Jasprit Bumrah, and once again he delivered on the pitch today. But also a special mention to Sanju Samson, because Sanju Samson, in just the T20 series against New Zealand that concluded few weeks earlier, Sanju Samson had actually struggled to score runs, which also raised questions about whether or not he's really the right fit to open in the tournament. While he did not open the first few games, he then went on to play the last 2 games where he scored quite a few runs. And now, of course, Sanju Samson once again leading India from the front and taking India to the final. If India manage to win the game in Ahmedabad, they will not only be the first team to defend the T20 World Cup, but also the first team to win the T20 World Cup for a record 3 times. Shubhangi.
Thank you so much, Rohit, for joining us with all those details here. We'll come back to you if more reactions come in. I'll quickly bring in my colleague Arunil, who's there joining us from Mumbai. Arunil, of course, the environment and the excitement on ground there in Mumbai is, of course, very thrilling. But one person, one cricketer which we have to talk about is Sanju Samson. As my colleague Rohit was just mentioning, that he has thrashed England by scoring 89 runs of 42 balls, his highest score, and he has managed to take India to this final. It's a big win. Right now, whether it be in New Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, at the Wankhede Stadium, they're all beating as one. And that message there is that this is victory for India. As one of the fans was just saying that हमने ये match जीता, and they're all very much waiting for the World Cup to come back home. I'll just quickly go back to my colleague Ridhita, who is joining us live from Kolkata. There, Ridhita, as I was mentioning, the roar of the crowd says it all. That India rules the game and India will win this World Cup, T20 World Cup match and bring the trophy home.
Absolutely, you can see the beats are actually of the set is storming throughout India. And after India took that T20 storm, the storm was taken to the final by 7 runs. And for which you can see they're already playing with colors, beating the drums, and we are singing the same song of the set. This is from the land of Dada, where Saurabh Ganguly wants to go short and balls in the land of the English. We have taken over them. And here is what we are getting a reaction. आज जब संजू सैमसन का जो क्रूशियल इनिंग्स था, वो कितना क्रूशियल था इंडिया के लिए? क्या लगा था एक मोमेंट में?
आज का इनिंग्स तो क्रूशियल था ही था। जो ईडन में हुआ था वो भी बहुत ज्यादा क्रूशियल था, और इस टाइम पे वो जो फॉर्म में आया ना, हमारे देश के लिए बहुत हमारा भाग्य सौभाग्य है कि संजू सैमसन का कैच छूट गया था हैरी ब्रूक के हाथ से। वो मेरा ईश्वर क्रिकेट का गॉड हमारे साथ है, तो हम गणपति बाबा के आशीर्वाद से हम फाइनल में पहुंच गए, और फाइनल में भी हम 250 प्लस करेगा।
क्या लग रहा है, क्या मैसेज रहेगा इंडियन प्लेयर्स के लिए फाइनल्स के लिए?
देखिए, और ये जो हमारा एक तो पहले वाला 50 ओवर मैच में जो हमारा फाइनल में हार गया था, उसको याद करो टीम इंडिया, उसको याद करो, और इस बार ट्रॉफी घर में लेके आओ। ये घर में घर का ट्रॉफी घर में ही रहेगा, तो किसी को बाहर लेके मत जाने देना।
आज का ये जो क्रूशियल इनिंग्स रहा, एक मोमेंट में मैच पूरा एकदम नेक टू नेक आ गया था, क्या लग रहा था उस मोमेंट?
नहीं, एक टाइम में तो हम लोग को टेंशन हो रहा था कि इंग्लैंड मैच नहीं, लेकिन हमको एक कहना है, संडे में थोड़ा सोच समझ कर खेलना होगा। हर दिन समथिंग नहीं बचाएंगे, वही हमको याद रहना है। वो बहुत दिन से टीम से बाहर था, आके थोड़ा देखा यार, लेकिन संडे में हम लोग का बहुत ही वॉरियर होना चाहिए।
संडे के लिए क्या मैसेज रहेगा टीम इंडिया?
संडे के लिए मैसेज रहेंगे, लेकिन मेरा मन कह रहा है न्यूजीलैंड थोड़ा फेवरेट है। हम इंडिया सपोर्टर फिर भी बोल रहे हैं, नहीं ऐसा बात नहीं है।
आपको क्या लग रहा है संडे के लिए क्या मैसेज रहेगा?
संडे के लिए हम लोग अहमदाबाद जाएंगे और ट्रॉफी लेके घर आएंगे।
ये जो आइकॉनिक भिलाई पटेल स्टेडियम में खेला होगा, उसको लेके कितना उम्मीद है?
बहुत, हम लोगों का इंडियन का बहुत उम्मीद है, क्योंकि हम लोग फाइनल में जरूर जीतेंगे और कप लेके घर आएंगे।
आज थोड़ा पैल्पिटेशन, पैनिक
थोड़ा हुआ था, लेकिन हम लोग ये विश्वास था क्या इंडिया आज जीतेगा और फाइनल में जरूर जाएगा,
और फाइनल में भी जीतेगा।
डेफिनेटली जीतेगा, डेफिनेटली।
बस, so you can hear the beats of Kolkata at this moment, and we are celebrating with the same joy that India
it seems there in Kolkata, Holi has come again and we are celebrating. And Neha, I'll come back to you. Like I was just mentioning that it seems that India is celebrating Holi again. There's color, there's excitement, there's happiness, and it is all because India has made its space in the World Cup match, and everybody wants one thing: our trophy to come back home. What's the situation? What's the excitement there, and how are people celebrating there? Are people like, putting Abir and Gulal there also in Bengaluru?
Well, of course, it has been an exciting couple of hours now for people over here in Bengaluru as well, who were quite cued in, watching the match very keenly. We'll try and get in one reaction from this table, of course, that's here right now. Guys, if I could just hear one cheer from... Acha. Okay. All right, well, of course, we'll try and get in a reaction from a couple of more people joining us right now. Sir, if I could just ask all of you to cheer once for Team India. We've reached the finals. If I could hear a loud cheer from all of you.
Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray!
Okay.
Vande Mataram.
Okay.
All right, so the mood there on ground is, of course, thrilling. There's excitement all across India. And this is because India has thrashed England by 7 runs in the semi-final and made its space in the T20 World Cup final. All eyes will be there on the big match. Thank you so much.